with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, I got some lovely, nice, lovely chicken thigh, which I need to cook off. So basically, what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna simply explain it to you guys that right here I have 2, 4, 6, roughly 8 pieces of chicken thigh. I washed them off into some lemon juice already, and as you can see, they're looking really lovely and nice. So basically, what we're gonna do now is to get it marinated by simple put on some seasoning. Because seasoning is a must when you're marinating your chicken. You have to put on some nice seasoning. So first of all, we're gonna pop a little bit of olive oil. That's some olive oil, alright? Roughly a tablespoon of olive oil. Then second thing, I got some spring onion. I didn't cut up a spring onion and I'm just cutting up a little bit more chunky. That's the guys can see exactly I'm doing right there. So that's the spring onion right there. Really nice and lovely. Second thing is I'm gonna put on some thyme, and I'm gonna simply just break off the thyme just to get the freshness from the thyme, just like this. That's the best way how to do your thyme, guys. Second thing, I got some white onion which I'm gonna use. That's the white onion, roughly a handful of chopped up white onion, and I'm putting it right on it. Put a little bit more. Nice one. Second thing, I have some chicken seasoning, a large teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Nice one. I got some ginger garlic powder seasoning, really nice. That's half teaspoon, just to bring in the flavor. And also I have some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Little bit of ginger and coriander season, roughly a teaspoon. Put in some flavor, and a little bit of everyday seasoning. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that's looking lovely so far. Second thing, we're gonna put a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Next thing, I have some butter, which I'm also gonna put inside of it. I got roughly 2 teaspoons of butter, which I'm gonna put straight inside of it like that. So what happened now, the butter gonna give it a nice lovely flavor, different flavor. That's gonna just bring up a nice flavor to it, because I'm gonna need the juice off of this chicken today. Alright, and give it a nice little rub like this. If you got paprika, you can rub some paprika on it. But I don't have any paprika, so that's what I'm just doing it this kind of way with the soy sauce. So the soy sauce will give it a nice, lovely color. Alright, then to be honest, guys, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna tell any lie. I like to use my sweet, and I use a little bit of sweet chili sauce on it. The sweet chili sauce is just to bring in a flavor to it, you know what I mean? It's just gonna bring in a different kind of flavor where it's just amazing to know that I have the sweet chili sauce and I decide so I wanna use it. So I'm just gonna finish after a little bit of sweet chili sauce upon it. I know the sweet chili sauce will give it a nice, lovely flavor. Alright? You don't have to put it on it if you're allergic to sweet chili sauce. I'm just simply saying I have it and I wanna use it. So I'll set you. Let's put a little bit more of the soy sauce to mix it with the sweet chili sauce. Beautiful and nice. So give it another lovely rub like this. Right, so that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Looking lovely and nice. The next thing, I have a oven bake tray right here, which I'm gonna lay them upon it like this. You see the juice off of the chicken? I'm gonna need it to do something with it. And I will show you exactly what I'm gonna do with that juice. So just look at that, guys. Beautiful and nice. You're gonna love this. This is just really totally really nice, guys. Honestly, I love it. So what I want to simply say to you, you can marinate this one and put it down for 48 hours or 24 hours and use it. Or you can marinate it and put it down for a nice good 6 hours if you like. But what I want to simply say to you, I'm going to put it straight inside of my oven now. Because what happened? I just come from work and I feel for some chicken. And I said, you know what, that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to put it in my oven for 35 minutes. Gas mark 7 or 8. And the high temperature is good for that, guys. Seriously. Really, really nice and beautiful. And it is totally different. And I know you guys love it. So, right there, as you can see, right here is just amazing. So now what we're going to do, we're going to simply do this right now. Inside of the oven for 35 minutes. Inside of the oven. So guys, enjoy the chicken recipe. It's a chicken Thai recipe and it's just beautiful and nice. Different kind of way. Or I soak it today, as you can see, or I marinate it just now. Enjoy the recipe. If any problem, leave your comments. Love you guys, and as I say, there's a lot of recipe for you guys to come out next. All right, so now we're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Gas mark 7 or 8 or 9 is good. All right, if you're using a different kind of oven, 185 or 165 is good for 25 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys. Look at the chicken. It's amazing. It is amazing. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Really hot, but you know, Chef Ricardo is in the kitchen. So guys, hopefully we enjoy the chicken Thai in the oven, guys, marinated the proper way. We're gonna plate it up now and make you see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about. Really nice color and looking lovely and nice. You can see the season and it's spring onion and the thyme. It's amazing, guys. Let's share it out. Nice and lovely, guys. Let's just share it out. As you can see, looking so fantastic and really nice. So hopefully guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipes coming out, and this is one of the top recipes from Chef Ricardo. So enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.